In this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate RingCentral with Zoho CRM so you can make calls directly from your CRM. First, log in to Zoho CRM and go to Setup, then Channels and select Telephony. Choose RingCentral and click Enable. Make sure to wait while the page refreshes automatically. Don't click anywhere else until the RingCentral login screen appears. Next, log in to your RingCentral account. You can do this right away by clicking Log in to RingCentral or later using the phone icon at the bottom right of the page. Enter your credentials and click Login. Once you're logged in, a Preferences window will appear. Here you can choose how you want to make calls through your computer, the RingCentral app, or a desk phone. And that's it. RingCentral is now fully integrated with Zoho CRM, and you can start making and receiving calls directly from your dashboard. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe for more great tutorials.